Hi everyone, I am Harry from Haplast, the leading manufacturer of plastic bag and compostable products in Vietnam. Here I'm at the lab of our factory where we test all the finished products. Each test will require a corresponding machine to evaluate each material criterion. However, we will go directly to the two most common tests. Here we have tension testing machine and we have frozen testing machine for all our products.
As you know, mechanical testing of packaging materials is very important to ensure they will meet actual environmental conditions and that the products they protect will reach the end user undamaged. We will first cut this sample bag into thin stripes like this both vertically and horizontally to test. We will cut 6 thin stripes of each type and we will keep them separate. So today I would like to introduce you the two tests from our lab. We will simply call it the vertical stress test and the horizontal stress test. The reason for such distinction is that materials can have different tensile strengths and the direction in which they are subjected to force of impact. Depending on the application, each business may need different types of packaging. For example, outdoor pallet bags, we need UV protection, and large bags we need tough and durable. Medical instruments bags need to be able to withstand higher temperatures for sterilization. These distinctive features we all have the specialized equipment for testing, and there are also multifunction testers available in the market with the ability to evaluate many criteria. The first is to test the tensile strength of the material. In this test, packing materials are slowly stretched until they break to measure the maximum tensile force that they can withstand, and also the final elongation of the material before breaking. This test is an uncomplicated mechanical test and can be performed with any material in sheet or film form. It is easily done by both directions. The directions in which the material runs along the machine is called the machine direction, MD, and the other direction perpendicular to the machine direction, which is called the cross direction, CD. Now we will test the longitudinal stretch first. As you can see, this is the material tensile testing machine. We'll fix the two ends of the plastic stripes to the machine and wait for the plastic stripe to be stretched until it breaks. The screen will show this number. This is the largest pull that this plastic bag can withstand vertically. As you can see, this bag model can withstand the corresponding longitudinal stretching force. So this is horizontal stretching test. The steps are similar to vertical stretch test. And here we also have the number which shows that the maximum pulling force of this plastic bag model. The second one is the test for puncture resistance. You know, the most undesirable but often happening thing is that the packaging is torn or punctured during transportation before reaching the customer. ASTM F1306 is a widely used standard for testing the puncture resistance of thin film materials. This test is performed with the upper hanging metal tip fitted with a load shell. Normally we call it a weight. First I will stretch the prototype like this. Next I will adjust the weight of this weight. It will be adjusted to the weight gradually from light to heavy, then drop it down to the test piece like this. So when the weight reaches the peak, the sample has been punctured. The force of impact when the material is punctured will be recorded, and this is the threshold of their resistance to puncture. Overall, the manufacturing process at Haplast is highly efficient, precise, and consistent. Our company uses advanced technology and controlled conditions to produce plastic bags of the highest quality. If you are looking for a reliable and professional plastic bag manufacturer, Haplast is an excellent choice. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.